How to assess your students using ExerciseBuddy. Click Assessments. Then click on the type of assessment you assigned, physical assessment or other assessment. You will see a list of all the assessments you assigned to your student. Locate the assessment you would like to give and click Assess. The assessment displays the exercise visual and gives access to the video model if needed. When your student is ready to begin the assessment, click Start. If during the assessment you need to pause, click the Pause button. Otherwise, when your student is done completing the assessment, click Done Trial. You can now record your student's performance by scoring the assessment. Score your student's performance based on your customized rubric. You can also score the student's level of achievement or select Score Later if you want to score the student's performance at a later time. Click the Notes section to add any important notes about the student's performance. When you're done, click Save to save the assessment. You will notice the assessment date and score is now saved to the assessment list. If you need to make edits to a student's score, click Edit. You can now edit the student's score for each skill, level of achievement, or any notes. When you are done making your edits, click Save. The updated assessment score will appear on the assessment list. This list will always display the most recent assessment date and score. To view previous assessment history for any given assessment, sign in your account at ExerciseBuddy.com. The assessment and score will be updated to your ExerciseBuddy account under Student Performance. To manually sync this data, click the Tools icon. While connected to Wi-Fi, click Sync and Download Data. The new data is now synced to your account.